Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Monopoly Go airplane mode APM after the latest update, right? So how we can use this, we can say that glitch, this feature. So this is very important. So whenever we are just opening Monopoly, when you just open it will start loading, and as soon as it will start loading, just go and turn off your Wi-Fi or turn on your airplane mode, right? And just make sure whenever it is at the 20% or 10%, make sure you have turned it off, and you will see that it will start loading very slowly, and after that you will able to use this feature, this glitch, very easily. As you can see here over the screen, right, it's getting really easy, and as you can see here, my internet is turned off and airplane mode is on. Now once you have done, so let it load. Once it get to the 100%, and make sure you turn on the Wi-Fi and turn off the airplane mode ASAP, and this feature, this glitch will start working. So this is a strategy, and this is how you can do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.